Hey everyone, and welcome to our review of the 2025 BMW i5 M60 Touring. Today, we're diving into BMW's latest electric wagon, a 600 horsepower monster that promises to blend practicality with pure performance. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First impressions? This thing is a looker. The wagon body actually suits the new 5 Series design better than the sedan, with perfect proportions that hide its height. Our test car came in BMW's individual deep frozen gray, and I've got to say, it turns heads everywhere it goes. Now let's talk power, because there's a lot of it. We're looking at 600 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque, all instantly available through the xDrive all-wheel drive system. BMW claims 3.7 seconds to 60, but honestly, it feels even quicker. There's this trick boost paddle on the steering wheel that unleashes even more power for 10 seconds, and trust me, you'll want to use it. During our testing, one passenger actually asked to pull over after a few launches just to catch their breath. Yeah, it's that intense. Inside, it's a mixed bag. You get all the latest BMW tech and a properly sporty M Sport steering wheel, but some of the materials lower in the cabin feel a bit cheap. And who decided to remove the storage nets on the back of the front seats? Small detail, but it matters in a family wagon. Now let's talk practicality. The trunk offers just over 20 cubic feet of space, expanding to 60 with the seats down. It's decent, but honestly, we expected more from a wagon this size. And speaking of size, despite having the longest wheelbase ever for a 5 Series, rear seat space isn't as generous as you might expect. But here's where things get really interesting. The i5 M60 Touring uses some seriously clever tech to handle all that power. You've got active anti-roll bars working with the 48-volt electrical system that basically eliminate body roll. It's almost surreal. Throw this wagon into a corner and it stays completely flat. Some might miss having a bit of body motion, but in this futuristic rocket ship, it kinda works. The ride quality is equally impressive. Even with the sporty M Sport suspension and massive 20-inch wheels, this thing just glides over rough roads. Credit goes to the adaptive dampers and self-leveling rear air suspension. In comfort mode, it's pure luxury car smooth. Switch to sport, and everything tightens up for some serious performance driving. But here's the elephant in the room: range. With an 84 kilowatt-hour battery pack, real-world range is, well, disappointing. We never saw more than 250 miles on a full charge, and if you're enjoying all that performance, you're looking at less than 180 miles. For a Grand Tourer at this price point, that's a serious limitation. So what's the verdict? The BMW i5 M60 Touring is an incredibly impressive machine in many ways. The performance is mind-bending, the ride quality is excellent, and it looks fantastic. But it's not perfect. The small battery pack and high power consumption limit its grand touring potential, and at nearly 130 grand with options, the interior quality doesn't quite match the price tag. If you're looking for the ultimate electric performance wagon and have easy access to fast charging, this BMW delivers an amazing driving experience. But for longer trips, the recently updated Porsche Taycan Sport Turismo, while more expensive, might be the better choice. Bottom line, a solid 8 out of 10. It's an awesome car with some notable flaws. BMW, if you're listening, give us a bigger battery pack, and you might just have the perfect electric wagon. That's it for our review of the 2025 BMW i5 M60 Touring. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what you think about BMW's electric wagon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.